Mobile Application Testing. Chapter 4. Leveraging emulators and simulators for mobile testing. Emulators and simulators are vital tools in mobile application testing. They allow developers to efficiently test apps across various devices and scenarios. These tools offer speed, broad test coverage, and increased efficiency. Getting started with emulators and simulators. Start your chosen emulator or simulator. Load your application onto the virtual device. Interact with the app as if on a real phone. Testers can select the emulator or simulator that best suits their needs. The process involves launching the virtual environment, installing the app, and then conducting tests as if on a physical device. This streamlined approach makes testing more accessible. Advanced testing parameters. Network emulation. Simulate varying speeds and signal strengths. Orientation changes. Test app behavior in portrait and landscape. GPS location. Test global positioning data with ease. Generate interrupts. Mimic real-world notifications and calls. Connecting and deploying applications. Android deployment. Use Android Debug Bridge, ADB, command line tools for seamless app installation and efficient debugging on emulators and simulators. iOS deployment. Connect directly through Xcode's integrated environment, which offers a user-friendly interface for managing apps on emulators and simulators.